Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this super colorful look made in partnership with Rimmel London. I'm starting off by priming the eyes, and this is the MAC paint pot in Painterly. It's really important that we use a base in this look because we really need the eyeshadow to pop. This palette is by Revolution Pro, but you can use any eyeshadow that's matte and bright yellow. You can use a makeup wipe if you have any fallout while you're packing on the eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the Eyeko liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a really thin wing. For mascara, I'm going to use the Lancome Grandiose Extreme. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Primer, and it has a very dewy finish. Since we'll be using a matte concealer next, this will help to keep the skin having a natural glow. We're going to be skipping foundation with this look, so I just used the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer in two different shades, one to highlight and one to contour. And I'm just blending that in with a beauty blender. To set everything, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. To set the contour, I'm going to be using this Bare Minerals bronzer. To give the face a little bit of color, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier blush, and this is a very corally shade, so it's going to tie in nice with our lipstick later on. To make sure there isn't too much color payoff on the face, I like to tap the color on the back of the wrist first and then apply it. For highlight, I'm using this Pixi On The Glow cream highlighter, and I'm applying that with my fingertips on the cheekbone, nose, and on the cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to use a red lip liner just to make sure that the lipstick stays in place all day. For lipstick, I'm using the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick, and the shade is Dat Red. To set everything and give my skin a little bit of a glow, I'm using the Versali Rose Gold Skin Mist, and that is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you very soon in my next one.